Oh, babe! Then I say, I think she go out. She never tell me where she go. Oh, then she say, oh, then she go to my house.
Because Sonia was so I just got it insane.
Ay,
I keep calling her in the phone. Someone she didn't bring the phone.
yeah, she didn't bring. Nakikita nyo ba ito? Siyempre, it's a new day.
Wow!
And a new day. And a new day. Yep. Oh my God, this is so heavy, Humpy. Wait. Shh. Wow. It's a new day. It's a new watch. Why it's two? Aww. Sweet talaga ng asawa ko. I think sir is really the sweetest, ha? Eto na siya! The moment na true na naman. Diyos ko, ang bigat.
They're doing video.
Yan, taking a video.
I'm doing the video!
Yeah.
Why are you doing that?
I'm doing unboxing.
Okay.
Yep, you wanna see it? You know, this is the best things to unbox.
I know that.
Because I said, I'm eating
Oh,
chicken.
buksang girl.
Chicken drumstick.
Chicken
Tadaan!
feet.
Chicken feet.
Chicken butt.
Ganda ba? Feeling ko maganda siya. Lalo na pagregalo. Aray ko, Diyos ko. Oh my gosh! This is so cute. Like a Tiffany.
Oh, I'm feeling it.
Pang babae talaga siya. Ito din yung bracelet na ito, pang babae din. Ay, Diyos ko, ang bigat. Masasuot ko ba to? Parang parehas lang sila.
Ow, my butt.
Siguro ibibigay ko na lang to sa kanya. Pero mukhang pambabae naman to. Nabilang ko na siya neto. Nung Father's Day. Kaso, sabi niya, bumili ka rin ng sayo. Sige, ayokong magrelo. Kasi tama na yung mga relo ko. Hindi ko na nga masuot lahat, di ba? Pero sabi niya, siya na lang daw bibili. O di ikaw, bolo ko. Gusto mo yan eh, di ba? Madali yan man akong kausap. Ay, pareha sila maganda. Pang everyday watch. Pang babae yung ano na yung... Pero mas gusto ko kasi yung panlalaki na bracelet eh. Yung malalaki, yung mga chunky, ganon. Pero syempre, tama lang to sa akin.
Oh, no! Chicken meat.
Ito pa, yan, isa pa. Isa pang chicken. Do you eating chicken? Love, who cook fried chicken? Ay, ang ganda.
Chicken chunky!
Chicken chunky. Ay, ang ganda nito din. Ay, hindi. Mas gusto ko to. I think this color Tiffany nicer, right? Won't be for me. Ay, kay Jiro ko na lang ito ibibigay. I think I'm going to give this to Jiro. Jiro,
The gold one. The gold one.
he always use my another watch. Yeah, when I go to school. One time, he used the Cartier. The teacher messaged us. Yeah, he's so naughty. Say, why Jiro is using Cartier watch? I said, we didn't know. So, the teacher go and keep it for him. Ito kay Jiro. Bibigay ko na ito kay Jiro. Jiro! I give you watch. Ay, hindi ko to papakita sa kanya. He like this color. Ayan. Okay, I'm going to ask you which... Wow, it's so nice. Which watch do you... Oh, you see? Which one? Which one? Yeah, can you try it?
Chicken blood.
Do you like watch? Who loves watch? Show them.
Finish your rice.
Oo, sa mga G10, she don't really like watch.